I just want to take the time out of my day to let everybody know that I appreciate every single one of you who has, showed love and support. It means a lot to me, and it hasn't gone unnoticed. We're going to keep going up, and the journey begins. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Reek, and we back with another video. Before I get into this video, I just want to say, fuck your hater, do what you want to do, live your life, because can't nobody tell you what to fucking do with whatever you desire to do, you know what I mean? But I'm going to need y'all to go ahead, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell button for me, and we finna get into this video tonight. So I just filled up. Before we get into the video, I just want to show y'all $38 for my fucking gas. That ain't bad, bro. My truck haul usually take like 60, 55, bro, like no lie. I'm gonna give you a little walk around. Since I ain't really showed y'all. Yes, sir. This is the interior.
You ain't telling me that story.
Maybe I gotta turn this up a little bit.
Oh, that's hard.
You focus now?
Yeah.
For real?
It's kind of far back, but it's straight. It ain't, Ooh, I've been farting.
Almost fucking
Nigga said I'm gonna fucking throw up.
I'ma throw up.
We in Mexico, right?
I could have slanged this bitch right here.
I thought you was.
We wasn't playing about that.
What, the fog? Yeah, bro. I was like, what the fuck?
Can't see shit.
I know damn well that was a car that fucking turned. Damn.
Bro, it's crazy because on the camera, you can see through the fog.
What? Really?
Yeah, you can't see any fog.
That's crazy as hell.
Now, this bit, I be moving that bit on this road.
Yeah.
But
Bit. Sometimes the road because it's sketchy though a little bit.
yeah.
Because cows could pop out, some dumb shit can happen.
Yeah. He said a cow out of all things.
Exactly. Out of all things, this is the last thing you can think about. Man, is it me? I feel like I'm low as fuck to the ground,
Nah, you low as fuck.
bro. I ain't tripping, bro. Like, this bitch low, bro.
It's the right height too.
Hell yeah.
It's this roof, bro.
It's sleepable.
It's the roof.
Oh my gosh, I haven't opened. I forgot, nigga.
What?
Just in case you want to look to the top right, you can see the moon. Then it's predominant, so we hit 200.
To your right, there's orange groves. And that bitch smooth. Wow. I'm almost home. Up there. You see it. It's the Redeye 2021.
I know y'all see the steering wheel.
Yes, sir.
I know y'all hear that whine in that bitch. This ain't no Hellcat disguised as the Redeye. Motherfucking Redeye in this bitch.
That shit is crazy. Oh my god. Stop. Nigga.
Oh my god, sir, your car's loud. It's a Redeye.
Monster bitch.
Niggas up playing, nigga.
Nah, I ain't gonna launch that bitch.
Put 2 hands on the camera for that launch.
I ain't gonna launch it. I did that bitch on the back road. That bitch said press the brake down softly. I was like, damn, I don't want to take my foot off the brake because that bitch probably already done registered it and everything. See, that's how you take off properly. Like niggas just gas that bitch as you be spinning. No, you gotta ease into that bitch.
But the way that bitch got up to 60,
60?
so
And
smooth.
Bo, the gas like this, my foot like this. Like
What?
this.
Really?
That bill was like this to this, and that bit at 60. I swear to
Oh
God.
my god, bro.
Oh my god, no. I didn't sign up for this.
You said what?
I didn't sign up for this.
393-797 aircraft.
Shit is stupid as hell.
797.
We're about to land.
Please move out the way. There's some space coming in. Yo, coming in that tub I be sitting right
There's a
there.
Navy spaceship coming in hot, about 140 miles per hour. We need the air lane clear.
Clear those fucking lanes for the fucking 797, please. Rather than like.
Let a nigga try me. I'ma got this whole motherfucking crew. I ain't playing with nobody. That Camaro is fucking slow.
You see it?
Is he gonna get over? Is he gonna take a chance? Is he?
No, he's not gonna get over, sir. He's gonna stay in that slow ass lane because that's a slow ass SS. I don't understand how I be seeing all the other YouTubers with they fucking cars on the highways and shit be spinning out. Scary ass nigga.
Oh, but I gotta use 2 hands. My shit's spinning.
Man, no, nigga. You just hitting the fucking gas and not knowing how to ease into that
That's
bitch.
man, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Bro, if any bro, I'm telling you right now, if any YouTuber on YouTube wanna fucking race me in they Redeye versus Redeye, I'm down. I don't give a fuck where you at. I'm down. I'll get my shit transported and all. I will slide that bitch on your asses. I be seeing too many niggas.
Bo, my shit's spinning.
This and that. No, bro. I got same stock tires y'all got, same everything y'all got. I don't understand what's the difference. You know what I mean? I want y'all to spread the word. I will race any YouTuber in their Redeye. No disrespect intending and shit like that. I'm just saying. And y'all not gonna be slanging shit like me in a fucking Redeye. I ain't seen not one person on YouTube slang their Redeye yet. I got a video coming for y'all.
797.
797.